Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I have not come on here just for some lock journey encouragement in a while. So that's the purpose of this video. And I want to know, those of you watching, how long have you been locked? Are you even locked? Are you just researching locks and you haven't started yet? Or are you an OG in the game and you just want some encouragement? Who knows? You know, I often assume that people who need encouragement for the lock journeys are the people who are first starting out, but people need encouragement at all stages because sometimes people do fall out of love with the journey, or maybe they're not feeling encouraged with or not feeling confident in their capabilities of nurturing their hair back to health because maybe it's looking weak and damaged and dull. But wherever you are in your lock journey, I am here to tell you that you started this journey for a reason. And it's so important that we remember our why. Why did we become interested in starting locks in the first place? Why did we go forward and actually do it? And why have we stayed committed for this long so far? And knowing our why, having a strong why, is going to be what keeps us committed. Now, at the end of the day, a lock journey is all personal, it's all up to you. So by no means do you have to stay committed. But if this is something that you want to do, make sure your why is strong. And if your why is no longer strong to you, maybe your why does not feel significant to you anymore, then hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. But for those of you who do want to stay committed, maybe you have certain hair goals or hair health goals, hair length goals, and things of that nature, then I do recommend you spending some time on your why. Okay, so specifically for those of you who have starter locks or baby locks, I know how hard it can be, but remember the phrase, a watched pot never boils. What does that mean? It's gonna feel like it takes forever to get to your goal once you're micromanaging all the steps, okay? So remember that you are not waiting for your hair to lock. You are living and your hair is locking in the background, okay? You're not waiting. You're not waiting, okay? So remember that. And for those of you who've had your locks for a long time and maybe you just need to fall back in love with your hair, I do recommend some self-love, some TLC, and bonding with your hair. So make sure you take out a day and have a wash day and do your routine or revamp your routine. And if you are interested, definitely get your hands on some of our seasonal urban lime oil, which is coming back this March, okay? And that might help you regain a newfound love for your hair, just that invigorating aroma of the lime oil in your routine and in your bonding and your feminine maintenance with your hair. That could help. Maybe you can treat yourself to go to a loctician and get your hair styled in the style that you love or a style that you've never tried before. Try something different. Okay, maybe that means color. Be bold. Maybe not cutting it off is the answer, but maybe giving yourself a cut. Maybe you want to do an undercut. Maybe you want to do some bangs or just, cut some inches off to, release some of that energy. But you never have to cut your hair to release energy. Doing an intentional spiritual cleanse. I do have a video on that. On how I do my spiritual washes for my hair whenever I feel like I have a lot of negativity stuck in my hair. That's what I do. So have no fear. Have no fear. Those of you who are having weird thoughts about your hair, you are not alone. You are not the only one, nor are you the first one to feel doubt along your lock journey. But I assure you, you can get through this if you want to. If you want to. Do you want to? Because I'm not here to force you to stay on your lock journey. That's weird. That's weird. I respect everyone's choices. We are all human beings. We're all spiritual beings having a human experience, So by no means am I one of those people who are going to be like, locks or die. You know, that's crazy. Like, do your thing. But for those of you who genuinely do want to stay committed, I know sometimes it is hard to do the things that we want to do. Sometimes it's hard, you know, but I'm here. I'm a resource for you. You can always reach out to me. The best way to reach me is through email or through my contact form on my website or through Instagram DMs. So those are the 3 best ways to email me. Notice I did not say comment down below, although I do want you to comment down below, but that's just not the best way to reach me, because after a couple of days I'm not gonna see these comments anymore, like the way YouTube. Anyway, you so so I hope I was able to encourage you a bit today. It is the end of February, and I want to say everyone happy Black History Month. I hope you had a great one. It's a lot going on, and I hope that you are all being very intentional with what you are allowing to take your focus, because it's a lot going on. I'll just leave it at that, right? I am wearing the Cocoa Crown color of the long luxe head wrap. You can head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and grab yours. You can grab one of 13 colors, or you can grab all of them. You can. If you want to grab a bunch of them and save, if you grab all of them, you can get them in a bundle and you can save, I'm not sure exactly how much right now, but you can save when you get the whole bundle. So definitely check out those links. I'll have them down below. And you can currently pre-order our products for our March drop. And our products are the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil, the Emu Oil Growth Drops, the Rose Water Moisturizer, and the refill, as well as our seasonal favorite, our Urban Lime Oil. So if the Urban Lime Oil is an oil that you used before, if it's something that you're interested in, be sure to grab yours while you can, because this is a seasonal product. It will not be available past summer. I mean, honestly, I don't even know if it's going to make it to summer, but it's definitely our spring drop. It always comes out in the spring, and hopefully we have an abundance to last into summer, but sometimes we don't. I'm going to just keep it real with you. So if that's something that you really want, grab yours now, or you can pre-order now. Okay? Pre-order is just a 50% deposit to secure your bottle. Okay? You can also pre-order your Nurture with Nature box, which is our signature bundle, which contains our bestsellers, the products I've mentioned. Whenever you buy bundles, you are saving. So keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.